Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and thank you for watching. If you wonder how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle have a lot of videos on how to cook in the Power XL. Today, I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. I'll be making some tacos today. So I can't do it with this top on. I'm just gonna take this top off, just wiggle it, put it up, and I'm gonna sit it to the side. And I'm gonna sit it to the side, but today, this Power XL I'll be using, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on Sauté. Put it on Sauté. I'm gonna set the temperature for 375. 75. Put 375, and I'm gonna set the minutes for 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, I'm gonna press start. Let that get heating up. Today, my greetings is, first of all, today I'm doing this tacos because I have a lot of students in college like looking at Mr. Belle videos, teaching them how to cook in the Power XL. I've been getting a lot of comments from the students in college and everything. This is the way, while they're in college, they don't feel like running, they doing their work and everything. You can cook it in the Power XL, enjoy your tacos at home while you're doing your work and everything. Today, I'll be using some nice thin beef. You can use ground pork, any kind of beef you want to, pork or any kind of meat you want. Today, I'll be using some nice thin meat. As you see, it's nice and good and thin. I'll be slicing that up real small. I'll be using some taco shells. You can use the soft, the hard taco shells, any kind of shells you want to use. I'll be eyeballing a little olive oil in there to get it started. I have be using a little hot sauce and 1 tomato, small tomato, some grated cheese. This is the extra sharp cheese. I like extra sharp cheese. It just tastes so good. And I cut up some lettuce. I'll be using a little lettuce and 1 green onion. I'll be using a 1/4 garlic season, a 1/4 of seasoned salt, and a 1/4 of black pepper. So today I'm gonna just get started up, just cutting this, slicing this meat up just like this. Make these taco meat nice and good, just like that, and just slice it up just like this. Just slice it, and just slice it just like that. And so you see how good that's slicing up? You can get your own kind of meat and slice it yourself if you don't like it already sliced up. Me, I like slicing up my meat, kind of keep me busy and everything. And I know what I'm getting, what quantity of meat I'm getting. That way I can do it myself, just like this. And I will be cutting it again after I cut it like this, or either you can use the long strips if you want to. Like I say, these are going to be some delicious tacos. And just do it just like that. Just slice it right down the middle. Like that. Just like that. Like that. Just slice it. Just like that. Like I say, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take it. And I'm just start slicing it like this one time. Just slice it like that, and like that. Get it to some nice and small pieces. So when you cook it and get it out, it'll be nice and good. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little olive oil now. I'm gonna be eyeballing this right here. I'm gonna just put a little just to get it started and everything. Just a little, just enough just to grease that bottom. That right there should be enough. Just a little of that. Like I said, your kids going to school and everything, you might have to be working and everything, and you don't have time if your kids watching you, if you bring them in the kitchen you can trust them to cook in this Power XL. They not around no fire, they not around nothing. They can just do it themselves. Oh, mom, dad, I'm gonna just make some tacos, or I'm gonna make some grilled cheese, or whatever they wanna cook. You can let them cook it in the Power XL. You feel comfortable and they feel comfortable. Okay, it's 25 minutes on there. Use 5 minutes of it. It should be nice and warm and hot. We'll see. Here the seasonings, nice and good. Just that long. Just put it in there just like that. Stir it up like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna throw a little seasoning in there like this. Throw that in there like that. Get that meat nice and seasoned. So you will have a little season on this meat. Just stir that up like that. It'll get nice, good, and brown and everything. This right here makes some good tacos. I never made tacos in the Power XL when I came with mine. School's coming up, kids in college and everything. I said I'll do something. Okay, while this is cooking, what I'm gonna do, you know, Mr. Belle, for all you first-time viewers, and if you've been cooking, the ones been watching me, wash your dishes as it cooks. Don't leave the dishes for your roommate. Don't leave it for your sister or brother. Don't leave it for your spouse. Wash them as you go. Because they might say they don't want that to eat, wonder who had to wash dishes. If they know who washing the dishes, they will enjoy the food. Okay, this meat is done. So what I'm going to do, and it's been 10 minutes, I'm going to press cancel. And it's done that quick. Nice and brown, as you see. Look at that. That's looking good. And this right here, you slice up your own meat. Slice it up however you want to slice it and everything. And this right here is done. Just take it out just like this. Just take all this out, just like that. Look at that, that meat is good, just like that. Nice and soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fix one right quick. I'm gonna sit this like this. And grab my sausage. These the shells, they are nice and crispy. As you see, they're nice and crispy and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get me a little meat out of there and just put it in just like this. Put it in like that, your meat. Then I'm gonna grab me a little tomatoes and put in. Just like that. Grab me a little cheese and put on there. You know, I love onions and stuff like that. You can use whatever you want to use. I didn't have any cilantro. I usually use cilantro, but I'm gonna just put a little green onions on there just to make it nice. And get a little lettuce and put on there, just like that. And it's done. I like my stuff kind of hot too. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on there, just like this. And we're gonna see how this tastes. I'm gonna taste it just like this. Give me a nice good bite. That's good. You can use the soft shell, a hard shell, whatever shell you want to use. But that's cooking with Mr. Belle. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you forgot how to subscribe, want to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.